Today, we're going to walk you through setting up the Nighthawk RS600 Wi-Fi 7 router in just simple steps. Start by unboxing the Nighthawk RS600. Inside, you'll find the router, antennas, power adapter, and cables. Next, screw on the antennas to the designated ports on the back of the router to ensure maximum signal strength. Now plug the router into a power outlet and turn it on. Watch for the power light to illuminate. Using the included Ethernet cable, connect your modem to the router's WAN port. This gets your internet connection ready to go. Next, download the Nighthawk app on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log in or create a new NETGEAR account to manage your router settings. The app will guide you through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the router to your devices. Now, personalize your Wi-Fi network. Choose a name and set a secure password for your network. Once the setup is complete, use your phone or laptop to connect to the new Wi-Fi network and confirm that everything's working. If the app prompts you, update the router's firmware to ensure you're getting the latest features and security updates. And that's it! You're all set with your new Nighthawk RS600 Wi-Fi 7 router, ready to enjoy faster and more reliable internet throughout your home.